Okay guys, I got a 2011 Chevy Silverado 1500. I'm getting these codes. Engine, so brake switch circuit 1 P0573, and then this code as well. C0161 code. So what happens is when I'm driving, I'll get the code and then the ABS and I believe the traction control or some kind of traction light to come on. It's the stability, it's this light that comes on, and it'll go on and off. And looking at this, it'll clear itself sometimes, then it'll come back on. So I got something that's finicky. So I looked the codes up, and the problem that I'm having is this switch right here. So I'm gonna have to replace this, and I did already replace it. It's located right here. This is on the brake pedal, so it's right there. You just take off, I think that's a 10 or 11 or 12 millimeter, and then pop it out and connect it. And if that doesn't fix it, it's most likely your wiring. So check your wiring as well. But most of the time, that's what fixes it. It's a very common issue. So I'm gonna remove the codes. So I turned it back on. Codes aren't coming. I'm gonna have to drive this and see if that did fix it, but that should fix it. And if it doesn't, I'll have to check the wiring. But yeah, hopefully that helped. This is the piece that you want to replace. It is a very common issue with Silverados, Tahoes, Suburbans, Sierras. So if you do have that code, and if you have the traction control light on, your ABS light, and then a check engine light as well. Also, to test this, the brake lights, if you're pressing the pedal and have someone back here and tell you if the brake lights are on or off, or if they're sticking. Also, another thing this was doing was it wouldn't let me shift out of park sometimes, I believe, because when I pressed down on the brake, it didn't think that the brake was pressed down, so it wouldn't let me shift out of park. So if you have those issues, then most likely it is that little module that needs to be replaced. Hopefully this helps. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments section, and have a great day.